The Delphi murders case will be back in an Indiana courtroom for the first time since a judge unsealed special documents relating to the only arrest in this case. State police accusing 50-year-old Richard Allen of killing teenagers Abby Williams and Libby German. Their bodies were found in February of 2017. NewsNation's Russ McQuaid is in Indianapolis with more on what we can expect at tomorrow's hearing.
Don't expect any answers out of Delphi tomorrow because the issues are so potentially complex that the judge is likely to take her time issuing rulings that will last forever. It took Carroll County detectives 5.5 years after Richard Allen first spoke to investigators to have him charged with the murders of the two girls along the banks of Deer Creek. While Judge Fran Gull will hear arguments about making her temporary gag order permanent.
I would think that she'll keep it in place, that there's no harm to having that gag order on both sides, from commenting on, etc.
And moving the trial away from Carroll County.
Imagine the jurors from that county if they had to go home and how they would feel constrained and compelled to find him guilty.
On December 30th, the defense filed this discovery motion asking for names of confidential informants, all case reports, and a copy of the search warrant served at Allen's house.
First of all, I'd want that search warrant. I'd want that search warrant and the affidavit for the search warrant to find out if indeed that there was, if going into his house, that there's legally supportable. That's the first thing I'd want to find out.
Prosecutor Nicholas McLeland says he'll give all that up.
The prosecutor is going public and saying that, then get on there from a discovery and reveal the basis of that.
What the prosecutor says he won't surrender includes information on a deputy's lawsuit related to the investigation, character witness and criminal records, and a written statement about evidence proving the innocence of Allen.
You have to see everything. You have to see the entire investigative file. You have to see every interview that was done. You have to see every lead, every other suspect, what their sources of information were so you can see whether it was trustworthy and reliable. You have to see the applications for search warrants to see if they were based on hearsay.
The judge will meet with the defense behind closed doors tomorrow as those attorneys will be seeking money to hire a private investigator to dig up evidence to prove Richard Allen's innocence. Nicole?
All right, Russ, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.